Hi, my name is Sudipto and welcome to my channel. If you've been a subscriber, well, thank you very much. Today I'm going to try and do a tutorial of how to draw a gem. The reference for this project was one of those glass pebbles that they sell with aquariums. I have an aquarium. Well, let's get started. Step 1. We gotta draw an outline of the gem. Usually I go with a pencil, but this was digital and it's easier to draw circles, so the lines that I have to draw are considerably smaller. I'm starting with the darkest color in the gem, and I'll go ahead and build up the midtones and the highlights later. It's harder for me to draw lines when I can't see what I'm drawing under my pencil. I don't have a tablet with a screen, so it's all hand-eye coordination. Now I'm building up the midtones. These are the colors that are present in the gem, not on the surface. When the light enters and gets reflected and refracted in it. This is the color of the stone here. Then a little bit of yellow. If you're using traditional paints, this would be chrome yellow. So I'm assuming the light is coming from the top left. These yellows in the lower right are all reflected and refracted lights. The line that I'm drawing is for me to be able to visualize the direction of the light. That line in this case, of course, is the shadow coming from the window. Here goes the highlight. This is the reflected highlight. And then I'm glazing the surface with very light white. If you'd be using oil, you'd need a lot of oil for this glazing and a little bit of white paint. I'm still working out the brushes in Krita. So you see the glazing is not very smooth. There's brush marks. If you're going for hyper realistic, you gotta figure the brush marks out. And then the final layer of the highlights. The next step would be to do shadows after I touch up the edges. As you'll see in the end, I haven't really figured out the edges in this, but if I was doing it on a paper, I think this would have been a lot easier. I changed the background a little bit so that it stands out more and looks more natural, like it's on a piece of paper, sitting on a piece of paper. I'm blending in the surface reflections here. That's what the glazing is. It's the light being reflected slightly from the top of the surface of the gem. Now for the shadows. There will be a highlight in the shadow because that's where the light is getting through the gem and then getting concentrated. It's like when you hold the lens against sunlight. Similar to that. And then this white is a little bit of the window light getting reflected from the bottom of the gem, which is circular. It's not sitting flat over there. If it was sitting flat over there, we'd have very different kinds of lights. And now I'll be obsessing over a few of the things, the shadows mostly, for some time. Even though that was good enough, but the problem with the perfectionist in your head. In case you're wondering, the gray is very lightly bluish gray. I've used burnt sienna, ochre yellow, chrome yellow, lemon yellow, white, and gray. Well, that's it. I hope you enjoyed watching this. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day.